Shauna and Zach, I bet you thought this day would never come.
Yep.
But after months and months of thoughtful planning and preparation, it is finally here, and it is hot.
I feel like taking chances. I feel a lot like 17. I feel like windows roll down new city streets and cabs. I feel like anything can happen, laughing. You take me right back when we were kids. Never thought I'd feel like this. Like when I close my eyes and don't even care if anyone sees me dancing. Like I can fly and I don't even think of touching the ground. Like a heartbeat skip, like an open page, like a one-way trip on an aeroplane. It's the way that I feel when I'm with you. Brand new. A young John Cusack, like me.
Zachary Michael, I am proud of you for so intensely protecting those you love and adore you, especially your children. It honestly has never made me happier to watch you be a father and the love you have not only for your boys, but Afton as well. It's not a question in my mind that you have taken her in to be yours, and for that I cannot thank you enough.
Ever since the day you made me pull over when you needed to puke on the second date, I knew right then and there you were the one for me. I promise to love you without any condition, to honor you and our kids in each and every day of the rest of our life, to laugh when you're happy, to stand by you when you're sad. I'll help guide you in the right direction when you need help and support. Zach, you may kiss your bride.
Don't even care if anyone sees me dancing. Like I can fly and I don't even think of touching the ground. Like a heartbeat skip, like an open page, like a one-way trip on an aeroplane. It's the way that I feel when I'm with you. Brand new. Like when I close